Hello everyone, I am Pragati Patel. Today we are going to discuss about synthesis and reaction of agipins and thiopins. These seven-membered heterocyclic rings containing one heteroatom are the heterocyclic analogues of 1,3,5-cycloheptatriene. X-ray crystallography has shown that these systems are non-planar and hence behave as polyenes. They don't compile with the Huckel's rule of 4n plus 2 pi electrons and are thus non-aromatic in nature and possesses a high reactivity. Agipins and thiopins are the parent compounds of the seven-membered heterocycles with one heteroatom. These are general structure of seven-membered heterocycles. If we X replaced by S, thiophene, and X is replaced by NH, these we call them agipins. So let agipins. Agipins are unsaturated heterocycles of 7 atoms with a nitrogen replacing a carbon at one position. The agipin system occurs in four tautomeric forms: 1H agipin, 2H agipins, 3H agipins, 4H agipin. The 1H and 3H system are the most important. Very few 1H agipins are known. The parent compound 1H agipin is an unstable red oil even at low temperature and rearranges to the more stable 3H agipin in the presence of acid or base. The benzoderivatives have been predicted to be more stable provided that annihilation does not disturb the aromaticity of benzene ring. Synthesis of agipins. Valence bond isomerization. The reaction involves a reorganization of the sigma and pi electrons and doesn't involve a migration of any atom or group. A relevant example is the preparation of nitrogen ethoxide 1H agipin from benzene and ethoxycarbonyl nitride. Ethoxycarbonyl nitride react with product adduct and OH nucleophile attack ethoxyagipins and eliminate to carbon dioxide 1H agipin and isomerization 3H more stable 3H agipins. Second, form agerins. N-agerin react with cyclopentadiene to give 3H agipin. So this is agerine and react with cyclopentadiene to give 3H agipin. Third, from phenylazide. A phenylazide react with primary or secondary amine to give benzagerine with benzeneazine with further undergoes ring expansion to give 3H agipin further. Fourth, from nitrobenzene. Nitrobenzene on treatment with tributyl phosphine give aryl nitrile with on the reaction with an alcohol gives 2-alkoxy 3H agipin. Nitrobenzene tributyl phosphine deoxygenation and 2-alkoxy 2-methoxy 3H agipins. Reaction of agipins. First, thermal reaction or aromatization. Agipins on heating undergoes aromatization. 2-methyl N carboethoxy 3H agipin on heating at 200 degrees Celsius yields 2-methyl nitrogen carboxy aniline. एजिपिन, यहाँ इथॉक्सी एन कार्बोक्सी कार्बो इथॉक्सी एजिपिन्स बॉन्ड शिफ्टेड heating and carboxyethoxy aniline to form reduction to dimethyl amino 3H agypine may be reduced partially with molecular hydrogen in presence of 5% palladium and hydrogen carbon to give 4,5 dihydro 2 dimethyl amino 3H agypines is more highly stable. 3H agypine 2-one reduced to caprolactam in presence of platinum catalyst with hydrogen isomerization. In presence of base 1H agypines isomers into 3H agypines. Ring contraction on photolysis in methanol 2-methyl N carboxyagypine yields 2-carbomethoxy 3-methyl 2-aza bicyclohepta 3,6-diene. Thiopins in organic chemistry. Thiopine is an unsaturated 7-membered heterocyclic compound with 6 carbon atoms and 1 sulfur atom. The parent compound C6 and sulfur is unstable and predicted to be anti-aromatic. Thiopins, the unsaturated 7-membered heterocycles, contain sulfur analogous of 1,3,5-cycloheptatriene. It contains 8 pi electrons, anti-aromatic, non-planar. If the tautomerism is sterically inhibited, then the thiopins can be isolated. Solate synthesis of thiopins from 2,3,4,5 tetramethylthiophene. 2,3,4,5 tetramethylthiophene react with dicycloacetylene in the presence of Lewis acid gives thiopins derivative. Second, from 1,3,5-hexatriene. Thiopins can be prepared from 1,3,5-hexatriene by addition of sulfur dioxide, 1,3,5-hexatriene by addition of sulfur dioxide, and 6-hexatriene reacts with sulfur dioxide to 1,6-adduct of sulfur dioxide that can be converted into thiopins 1,1-dioxide as shown. Chemical reaction. The chemical reaction of thiopins have not been worked out in detail yet so far. First is heat action. When heated at 140 degrees Celsius, it yields adduct. Second, thiopins when heated 400 degrees Celsius yield tetramethylphenolnitride is pyrolysis to give. Thank you.